Yes! Right, here we are, down the track again. Got our trusty tool. He's on the phone. And Robin, mastermind behind all of this, is in his huge machine. So he's telling me that he's built a pretty steep little jump for me on the trials bike, which is over there in the distance somewhere. So we're going to go and check that out now. Yeah, Robin! Look at this, it's absolute carnage. Him in the background, he's just constantly building shit. That's why we love this place. Literally 24 hours later, if you've been here one day, come back the next day, and something is totally different. Just like this, which is what he's just told me he's built. Some steep step up. So I'm going to carve this out now a little bit with the rake. He's going to help me with his shovel. See what this can do for us, but it's proper steep. Right. Is this going to be soft enough? I don't know, we're going to find out. What do you reckon if I landed here on my head?
I reckon we could grow a carrot in it or two. Right, we have finished the landing. Yeah, it's looking pretty smooth.
Just about low enough, I think.
Happy?
So you're going to go from all the way down there.
It's a long way down.
Up.
And break your neck about there.
Yeah.
Hello.
You got this. Yes!
I got some air.
Oh, did you? Yeah, sick. Look at the dog. What do you think of that, Trav? What do you think of that?
So, what's going on, George?
See that guy in the digger? I've always told him that I want to try a backflip. And now we've got the bike to do it on, and the jump to do it on as well. So
we're just going to take a foot off the top of that, aren't we? And then,
yep.
And then hopefully see how it goes.
Bottom down.
George is just going to basically warm up and do a few more dry jumps, see how he feels. It's whether has he got the height though? He thinks he's got the height. We're all pretty confident. Not? Yeah, no, I think we'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah? That was good.
Now I've just got to commit.
How did that feel?
Horrendous.
That was terrifying. I was so scared. I was like, no!
Oh, fuck. Sorry, Ben. I didn't commit, that's why.
No, you did. You bailed.
I bailed. Always put the thing on. Alright, that didn't go to plan, so I'm gonna sort all these bars out and give it another go. For some reason I had to hop there.
You almost made it down. What? You almost made it down.
That was absolutely fucking perfect. How? What did it feel like? Does it feel amazing?
Send it to Inch Perfect.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. I just felt like I was upside down for ages.
Yeah, with the new bike.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
But send it in to them.
Huh?
Send it to the guys.
Yeah. That was cool, and I'm going to do that a lot more.
Yeah, you need to do that again.
Oh god, he's absolutely hammering it down now. That was a day to remember for sure. I've wanted to flip a bike since I started riding, really, and just watching all the guys do it on YouTube. I know that flipping a bike isn't really a big deal anymore, which is also crazy to say, but it really isn't. Mind over matter, I knew I could do that, and just, you know, pretty much went flat out. It was weird on the electric bike, you know, yeah, weird on the electric motion doing that. It's the epure race model, and that's got 3 modes with a clutch, and I put it in top mode and basically just held it wide open. The lip was super steep, so yeah, it made it up there and kept looking round, and eventually saw the wood chip. So I'm very happy, and hope you enjoyed that video. See you next time, guys. Cheers.